Hello everyone, this is Chetan Singhal. Welcome to my channel Stat Shine, where knowledge shines to make you shine. Before we get started, just a brief introduction about myself. I have done my graduation from Hindu College Delhi University in Statistics and I have completed my Masters from IIT Bombay in Applied Statistics and Informatics. So in this video, I'll be talking about JAM. So studying in top institutions of the country is a dream for many students, and IITs are among those. So JAM is nothing but a road to IIT. So JAM is an entrance examination that enables a student to get admission into different IITs, into different courses for master's program. So it's basically for a master's degree. Its full form is Joint Admission Test for Masters. Earlier it was known as Joint Admission Test for MSc, but from JAM 2021, economics subject has also been added to the list and hence it's now known as Joint Admission Test for Masters. So JAM is held each and every year in different subjects like mathematics, mathematical statistics, economics, physics, chemistry, etc. So in this video I'll primarily focus on mathematical statistics because that is the examination that I gave and cleared. So I usually get a lot of queries related to JAM, like how to prepare for it, whether we should take coachings or not, what are the books and materials that we should follow, what are the future prospects related to these courses, right? So I have decided to make a series of videos to cater all these questions. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of the notifications related to these videos. So first thing that I would like to discuss are the different colleges and the different programs that are being offered by clearing the examination of mathematical statistics. So the very first option that comes is MSc Applied Statistics and Informatics from IIT Bombay. So the eligibility criteria is that the student has studied either mathematics or statistics in at least 4 semesters of their graduation. So whether the student is pursuing BTech or it's doing BSc Mathematics or Economics or any other subject, the criteria states that he or she should have completed the program with the subjects mathematics and statistics in at least 4 semesters of their graduation, right? And the percentage criteria is 55% out of 100 or 5.5 CGPA out of 10 is mandatory for all the programs across different IITs. So this is the eligibility criteria for MSc Applied Statistics and Informatics. And there is one more option in IIT Bombay, that is MSc plus PhD dual degree in operations research. So this is also offered through clearance of mathematical statistics exam based on the rankings that you get, right? So this program is a dual degree program, so you can also take the MSc degree and exit, but if you are willing to pursue PhD in operations research, then you can also pursue that. So IIT Bombay offers these 2 programs. So next comes IIT Kanpur, which offers MSc Statistics program. So the eligibility criteria for IIT Kanpur is that the student must have completed their graduation such that they have done statistics in their 4 semesters, right? So in IIT Bombay it was mathematics or statistics, but IIT Kanpur strictly states that the student must have completed graduation such that they have done statistics subject in at least 4 semesters of their graduation. So this is the condition for IIT Kanpur to pursue MSc Statistics over there. So earlier it was even more strict. Earlier it states that the student have done BSc Statistics, but now the information I am delivering is based on JAM 2021. So I would recommend each and every candidate who is pursuing for JAM examination to go through brochure, the JAM brochure that is being published by the organizing institute of JAM to have a clear information about each and everything, about the different programs, the colleges it's stated there, the reserved seats, the number of seats that are there in each category, and many more information is there related to each and every program. So for MSc Statistics in IIT Kanpur, the student must have completed their graduation such that they have done statistics subject in at least 4 semesters of their graduation. And there is one more course that is offered in IIT Bhubaneswar through this mathematical statistics JAM exam, that is MSc plus PhD in atmosphere and ocean sciences. So this is a bit a different program. So the eligibility for this is that the student must have mathematics and physics in their graduation as mandatory subjects, and apart from these two, the student must have studied at least one of the subjects from statistics, geology, chemistry, computer applications, or computer sciences, right? So this is the condition for IIT Bhubaneswar joint MSc plus PhD program in atmosphere sciences and ocean sciences, right? So there is one more condition, that for pursuing PhD, the CGPA should be greater than 8.5 for this particular course only for in IIT Bhubaneswar. Otherwise, you will not be eligible for pursuing PhD, and there might be interviews and other things related to your admissions. And if you do not pass, or you are not able to fulfill them, you will be given the MSc degree only, right? So for more details, you can check out the brochures before applying for different programs, right? So in my upcoming videos, I will be covering the syllabus of mathematical statistics exam in detail, the books and material that one should follow. I'll cater to the questions like coachings should be taken or not, what are the sufficient amount of time that the student should devote for the preparation of JAM examination, right? And plus I'll also share the experiences of other people plus myself about my preparation and their experiences at IIT, to give you more information and insights, because it's rightly said that the greatest learning is from other experiences and our experiences. And I'll also share some details about the future prospects of these courses in different IITs, right? So hope you have liked the content and the explanation in this video. So stay tuned, keep shining. Thank you.